Hello Year 10 and welcome to this Google Earth tour of Sydney district. We've landed on the central business district of Sydney and we're going to have a look at the close-up street view. This is where the headquarters for lots of operations are, lots of businesses, lots of shops, and it's the central business district. We're now going to be zooming into the inner residential suburbs. We've reached Glebe here. It's a mix of industry, you can see over here on the right, and very closely settled houses. They're packed together in tight terraces. There's lots of traffic on cars on the streets and there's virtually no yard space. It's very densely populated. We're moving out now westwards, in this case, to the outer residential suburbs, and I've chosen Parramatta as an example. You can see at once that the houses have got heaps more room. They've all got lots of lovely yard space, and the streets are a lot wider and emptier. Now we're going to visit some commuter suburbs. These are suburbs that are about an hour to an hour and a half's drive away from Sydney. They're quite densely populated, but the adjoining or next to land use is rural, so they're little mini pockets of suburbs put into a rural area. We're going up to Glenbrook, which is also a commuter suburb, and in this case it's nestled in the Blue Mountains. Quite densely populated, but an hour and a half's drive from Sydney. And the last one we're looking at is Umina Beach, which is up in the northern Central Beaches area. These houses are a lot cheaper because they're so far from the city, so you have to balance how long you have to take to get to your work with having a nice area to live. Thanks for your attention, Year 10. I hope this was a useful video.